Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, we are tracking several areas of rain and thunderstorms. You can see here at 8 in the morning on our Summit Home Skyview network, there are a lot of clouds and it is raining at the Truman Sports Complex. It is overcast, but the thunderstorms we are tracking are not severe. Look at Lawrence. They were in a flood advisory. They had some very heavy rain go by, but that rain has ended, but it's still a unstable looking sky, a lot of ripples out there. And so they're still unstable. There's more thunderstorms west of Lawrence. I'll show you here in just a second. So how much rain has fallen since this all started about Thursday or so? Well, most of the rain, the heaviest and most widespread, has occurred from around Manhattan, Kansas to Clinton and Butler. 1 to 3 inches of rain, some areas 3 to 4 inches of rain, especially there south of Paola. And again, these are radar estimated totals. Your rain gauge may read different. And off to the north and east is a variety of rainfall totals. There's a variety of rainfall totals in the city. We have 2 to 3 inches of rain, Gardner, Edgerton to Spring Hill, 2.2 in Lawrence. And then you get about 1.5 inches Overland Park, Olathe, 6,700 Shawnee, to a trace in Orick, Missouri, to 1.11 in Liberty. So patchwork of rainfall, 1/4 inch there to Lone Jack, Odessa, but I think all these areas will see plenty of rain before the chances come to an end, and in some spots, too much rain. So we've been tracking generally 3 main areas. There's been one area up in northern Missouri, Bethany, Trenton, Chillicothe, and that is weakening. That's just a large area of just some moderate to heavy rain, attached to some thunderstorms there. Near Carrollton to Marshall and Higginsville, but you see other thunderstorms are connected back towards Plattsburgh and Leavenworth, and then you kind of combined into about 1 or 2 areas. They're all sort of combining. And then we have this area there into Johnson County, some heavy downpours, and then they're scattered all the way back to Emporia. And everything is just moving slightly north of east or east at about 25 miles per hour. Those heavy thunderstorms there near Olathe were responsible for the flood advisory in Lawrence. They've decreased in size a little bit, but still very heavy with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. And so you can see everything is moving off to the north and east. It's going to take until early afternoon for these to come to an end, but they'll gradually decrease. The heaviest in the city, besides up there near Smithville and east of Leavenworth and something near Smithville Lake, is down on the south side of the city. And that will get into Overland Park at 8:30 and Grandview by 8:45 and Blue Springs by 9:19. And out ahead of it, there's light to moderate rain. So yeah, and I don't have lightning on here, but there's lightning in many of the red areas with the thunderstorms, and some of the areas that have light to moderate rain have a little lightning as well. So what is next? Well, by noon, we're going to see a decrease in the thunderstorms, and it should be mainly dry 3 to about 9 or 10 p.m. However, we'll have to watch for a few showers and thunderstorms trying to form out ahead of the main event for tonight that is showing up there west of Wichita at 4 p.m. Because look what happens between 4 and 10 p.m. It moves in, and some pretty heavy thunderstorms. But watch what happens between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. It's still here. That's 6 hours of thunderstorms, some very heavy, and you're talking rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches an hour. And so, yeah, there could be areas that see plenty of rain. So if it really does concentrate in an area, some areas could see more than 3 inches of rain. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. And then after about 4 a.m., they'll start to move off, could linger into the morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, warm and humid. We'll be watching for new thunderstorms to form tomorrow evening and night. But right now, it looks like it's going to be to our east and maybe off to our northeast. And then they'll stay out there. Got to watch it, though. It's not over yet. It could form farther west on Sunday night and into Monday morning. So Monday morning, we'd have a few thunderstorms around, especially if those rounds form farther west. And the severe threats with all these are fairly low. However, the flash flooding threat is high and will be rather high on Sunday night if we get into bigger thunderstorms. Even tonight, we've had all this rain, and so the ground gets saturated, especially with those rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. And then on Monday, we're going to start to see the rain chances come down. You see these winds are coming from the northeast. We talked a little bit about this a few days ago. A backdoor cold front. It's not necessarily going to get much cooler, but drier air will come in from the northeast a little bit for a couple of days before the humidity comes back and more rain chances into next weekend. So when we look at the rainfall forecast, it gives you an idea today through Monday. We're in a zone where there's more thunderstorms, obviously. But when you zoom in, you can see the heaviest on this data is from northwest Missouri into east central Kansas. And I have 1 to 2 inches of rain, some spots 2 to 3. But I talked about it a few minutes ago. If we had 6 hours of thunderstorms, and they're in generally the same spot, that'd be 5, 6, 7, 8 inches of rain in some areas. So we'll watch that. It has less off to the southeast, like near Sedalia, Warrensburg. However, that bullseye I always talk about could still move around depending on how these thunderstorms set up, especially the ones for tonight. Where will that zone exactly set up? That looks like it's going to be in this spot, but again, anywhere on this map, it is possible based on how things set up. So as we take a look at the forecast for today, these areas of rain and thunderstorms will end early this afternoon. It should be dry 3 to 10 p.m. I know there's a lot of events, but keep an eye to the sky. You can't rule out a few thunderstorms lingering around or reforming out ahead of the main event that starts probably after 10 p.m. Flash flooding is possible, some gusts of 30 to 50 mile per hour winds in some of the thunderstorms, and a little bit of hail, not out of the question. That's under severe limits. Severe thunderstorm is 58 mile per hour winds or higher, and also a hail of quarter size or larger. And a couple of thunderstorms could do that, but flash flooding is the main threat. And as I always say, flash flooding kills more people per year than tornadoes and lightning. Then tomorrow, the best chance of thunderstorms is in the morning from the stuff tonight, and then again tomorrow night, but will it form farther to the east? So we'll keep an eye on that. Super 10-day forecast. We still have slight chances Monday and Tuesday. There could be a lingering shower or thunderstorm Monday morning, depending on what happens Sunday night. And then Tuesday, there's another little disturbance coming in with some clouds and maybe a shower, but that drier air moving in as well, and drier air Wednesday and Thursday before it becomes humid again, and another system next weekend with more rain and thunderstorms with low severe threats. Have a great weekend. Stay healthy and stay with KSHB 41. We'll keep you advised.